In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the mean, median, and mode. So here I have a set of random numbers 8, 4, 11, 4, 5, 14, 3, 10, 8, 4, and 6. When you're calculating mean, median, and mode, the first thing you always want to do is reorganize your numbers from least to greatest. So I'm going to do that now, and that just keeps everything a lot more organized and makes everything easier to calculate. Let's start by calculating the mean first. To calculate the mean or the average, I just need to add up all of the numbers I have and then divide by the number of numbers there are. So here you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So I'm going to divide by 11. If I do all of that addition on the top, it's going to give me 77. So I'm going to end up with 77 divided by 11, which of course is 7. And this means that the mean of this set of numbers is 7. Now let's learn how to calculate the median. When you think of the median, I want you to think of the median on a highway. It's in the middle. And so now I need to find the middle number when they're all organized. Now the easiest way to do this is to literally scratch off numbers on both sides. And if I keep doing this, then eventually I'm going to get to the center of all of my numbers. And in this case, you can see the exact middle number is 6. And so this means that my median is 6. Finally, I need to calculate the mode. And mode sounds like most. So here I'm looking for the number that appears the most. So I'll start by looking for any number that appears more than once, and here you can see I have multiple 4s and I have multiple 8s. However, since there's more 4s than 8s, I know that the mode in this case has to be 4. So to recap, the mean is the average, the median is the middle number, and the mode is the most frequent number. Before you go, have a look at these new numbers right here: 5, 7, 4, 8, 11, 5, 6, 9, 8, 10, 11, 8, 9, and 13. And tell me in the comments what's the mean, median, and mode of this set of data. Good luck.